the broke ass EDC. Got a little Tenable with the dimples. This is the Rei Micarta with the dimples. Let's see. Greg. Oh shit, there's no way. But he's known as the Karambitmaker. Wegrzycki. Fuck if I know. I cannot pronounce names for shit. Overall length 7.48 inches. Blade length 3.3. That blade's coming to you in 14C, nice and stone washed, with a modified spear point on that flat grind. Black micarta with dimples. Liner locking, 3.88 ounces. I like it, man. Nice, clean budget knife. Flipper gets it done. All four fingers rest nice on it with a little jimping and rise there. You can reach out and it's nice and comfortable. Decent fall action. Pretty centered. Steel folded clip sitting on top of that micarta. It is reversible. The studs get it done also. Nice solid budget knife for 57 bucks in 14C. Micarta. You're stealing it. You're stealing it at that price. I like it. I dig it. Nice solid snappy action on them steel liners, and the lockup is solid. Billboarding, nice and clean and basic, nothing over the top. Nobody wants all that extra big board shit. Open design with the black barrel spacers matching that black hardware. Definitely one, if it's on your radar, snatch it. I'll throw some links, y'all. What do you think of the Rei? Could be a winner. A solid day today. Y'all, hit that thumbs up button. Stay sharp. Stay safe.